Petalmoor was never truly abandoned. Though the manor has fallen to ruin in places, its stones split by weather, its gardens gone half wild, its halls dimmed by time, the estate still carries the weight of a life not entirely gone. Letters sleep in forgotten drawers, petals gather where no hands have placed them, ravens pass low over the roofline as if keeping watch. In the silence, the house keeps its own counsel, offering no easy account of what was lost within its walls. Some sorrows faded quietly there, others settled deep into the foundations and remained. Now Petalmoor stands as both relic and refuge, holding its beauty and its grief in equal measure. And here the ruin is not the ending, it is only what is left behind when the story refuses to die. The Petalmoor design is built around that old world feeling of a manor left to weather, memory, and time. Throughout these pages you'll find ruined stonework, ravens, faded correspondence, overgrown gardens, darkened windows, and soft floral traces, and all the little details that make Petalmoor feel like a forgotten estate still holding secrets close. The overall palette is moody with weathered textures, dusky florals, and shadowed details, giving the whole collection a rich Gothic atmosphere with a romantic, storied feel. This collection is sold as two separate kits, one main journal kit and one companion folio. They are designed to work beautifully together or as separate pieces. You can use them for junk journals, layered pages, moody folios, ephemera projects, and any make where you want a sense of mystery, age, and quiet beauty. The Petalmoor kits are now available in my Etsy shop.